Getting rid of knee pain from basketball involves a few key steps, and here's what you could do. Number one, rest. Give your knees a break. Avoid playing basketball or any activities that aggravate the pain. Number two, ice. Apply ice to your knees for about 15 to 20 minutes several times a day. This helps reduce swelling and pain. Number three, compression. Use a knee brace or elastic bandage to provide support in reducing the swelling. Number four, elevation. When resting, keep your knee elevated with a pillow to help reduce the swelling. Number five, strengthening exercises. That's my favorite. Once the pain decreases, start gently stretching and strengthening use these exercises for the muscles around your knees, like leg lifts, wall sits, straight leg raises. That's the way you're going to do it. Number six, stretching. Stretch your quadriceps, your hamstrings, and your calves to improve flexibility and reduce tension. If I don't stretch at least once a week, I get back pain. Footwear. Make sure you're wearing pro basketball shoes that provide support and cushioning. And number eight, consult a doctor. If the pain persists, see a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and a treatment plan. Always listen to your body. Don't rush back into playing until you're fully healed.